I'm Stuart Mills. I'm a sales director at McVeigh Parker. We're predominantly a fencing company, but we do agricultural supplies as well. Been going for, this is our 46th year. We were established in 1979. Started off with one very small depot. We now run 8, all the way from Scotland down to Devon. So we have nationwide coverage. We've always tried to find something that's different to offer so that we can stand out from the crowd. We listen to farmers and the issues with timber fencing and treatments, and we sourced the Clipex. It was a pretty hard sell initially into the UK. Everyone's very traditional with their fencing, how they do it and the materials they use. So now it's grant approved. Farmers are seeing the benefits. Obviously it's a 30-year guaranteed product, which obviously is a huge benefit over timber at the present time. Its installation, as we've seen today, we've just put over 300 metres, virtually finished now today. From start to finish, we've taken probably 5 hours. So it's a very quick, simple system to put up. Contractors are buying into it now because they can get good meterage. And farmers that want to do their own, it's a simple system that can be installed and used by your everyday person. We've worked closely with Gripple from the start. The product, with its speed element, lends itself, we feel, to the Gripple product range. Your medium gripples, your T-clips and your dynamics. It's a very simple system to use. It's very simple to get set up. You know, you can basically buy a tool and start fencing and put up a fence certainly to a level that it needs to be and in a very simple form. It doesn't take very long to learn how to use a Gripple, which is a massive benefit. We're really happy with the relationship. It's always a pleasure, always a good bunch. I've got to be honest, one of the best things for me is it's a British-owned company. The product is made in the UK, and you virtually make every element of it, and you'll build a machine to make every element that you need. The fact that there aren't a lot of products, you know, you've got Australia and New Zealand sat here right now, so we've got a tri-nation here with the Gripple as well, so England, New Zealand and Australia. So for us, pushing a British product is quite a rare thing nowadays, unfortunately, and something we like to wave the flag. It's not easily done nowadays.